Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you how most of the companies are trying to figure out as to what is going to be the impact of tariffs, how much of the tariffs are the companies going to absorb themselves, and how much of the tariffs are they going to pass on to their consumers. In another recent video that we shared with you, we shared that Hermes is going to be increasing its prices in US and passing on the tariff impact to the consumers. We are also seeing this in the terms of the auto industry, wherein some of the auto companies are going to be pausing exporting to US till the time they can figure out as to how much of the impact tariffs are going to have on their own production and sales, and how much of the impact they can pass on to the consumers. In this video, we wanted to share with you how it's going to be impacting the watchmakers and how some of the groups have started responding to the tariffs. Now, Swatch Group is responding to the market pressures with a major price hike. Swiss watchmakers are facing the perfect storm. Firstly, rising gold prices. Secondly, a stronger Swiss franc. Thirdly, declining exports to China and Hong Kong. And fourthly, the mounting pressure from the discounting in the secondary market. Swatch Group has become the first group to react. It's announcing its second US price hike this year, and according to the company, this move was driven by two major factors: currency fluctuation and tariffs. When we are talking about the currency fluctuation, it's the US dollar has weakened nearly 8% against the Swiss franc in the past month. And when we are talking about tariffs, the US import duties on the Swiss watches have jumped from 3% to 10%. Gold prices, now at a record $3,244 per ounce, have surged 23% this year alone, compounding cost pressures. Meanwhile, the Swiss franc's strength has also made exports significantly more expensive, with the American importers now paying $1.23 for the equivalent of 1 Swiss franc in watches, and this is up from $1 earlier this year. Add to this the steep drop in the watch exports, that is minus 12% to Hong Kong, minus 27% to China, and a flood of discounted watches on the grey market, and it is clear that the pricing strategies across the sector may be entering a new phase. High-end brands within the Swatch Group are reported to have raised the US prices by 7 to 10% this week. With little relief in sight, it is very likely that the other Swiss watchmakers are going to follow suit. Now, that's what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.